Good morning. Welcome to Editel Srikandi. I'm Dia as receptionist here. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I want to check in, please.
Do you have reservation before?
Yes, I have.
May I know your name?
My name is Icha.
Alright, your name is Miss Icha, right?
Yes, that's right.
Alright, wait a minute please. I will check your reservation.
Yes.
Alright, thank you for your waiting. May I repeat your reservation?
Yes.
You take one standard double bedroom with garden view and you stay our hotel 3 nights start from 3 June until 4 June and this is room price is $85 include breakfast voucher. That's correct, miss?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, wait a minute please. I will process your registration form, guest card, care room and breakfast voucher.
Yes.
Thank you for waiting. This is your guest card, care room, and this is your special voucher.
Alright, thank you so much for your confirmation.
Alright, do you have any else?
No.
Alright, thank you for your choosing our hotel. Have a nice day.
Yay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah!